Next is solving quadratic equations using the formula. So basically the quadratic formula is obtained when we solve a general quadratic equation with the completing square method, right? We have to just solve or prove the quadratic equation, okay? Quadratic formula. So that can be written as, yes, this one. Our general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Is it okay? So
Yes.
how we can solve this equation using the completing square method? First of all, this constant goes on other side. It will becomes ax square plus bx is equals to minus c, right? After that, when we have the coefficient of x square, we have to divide it by its coefficient, right? Or we can take the coefficient as a common, so it will becomes a times x square plus b over a x. Understand or not?
Yes.
So this a goes on the other side and divided by this c, it will becomes x square plus b over a x is equals to minus c over a, right? Do you have any problem?
No.
After that, what is the coefficient of x? You can see that b over a, sorry, a. When we divide it by 2, it will becomes b over 2a and take the square, that is b over 2a whole square. Do you understand?
Yes.
We have to add this term on both sides of this equation. So this is the same way. If we add or subtract on a single side of the equation, or if we add on the both sides of the equations, so these two terms are simple same. So it will becomes this one, x square plus b over a x plus b over 2a whole square minus c over a plus b over 2a whole square. Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay. After that, you can see that on the left side we have the formula, that is x plus b over 2a square, and on the right side we can write it as minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. Any problem?
No.
So on the left, on the right hand side, we can take the LCM. It will becomes x plus b over 2a whole square, and the LCM will be 4a square, 4a square, and this will becomes minus 4ac plus b square. Any problem?
The try to answer how you got
So
minus 4AC.
this 4a square is basically the LCM. We have to multiply this LCM with c, that will becomes minus 4a square c and divided by denominator. So a square can be cancelled out by a, so it will becomes minus 4ac. And also this LCM multiply by the numerator, that will becomes 4a square b square, and divided by denominator it will becomes simple b square, because 4a square is cancelled out by 4a square. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. After that, we have to take the square root on both sides. It will becomes x plus b over 2a whole square root is equals to, I can write it as b square minus 4ac, just rearranging the terms, and separate the square roots of the numerator and denominator. Any problem?
No.
Okay. After that, this square is cancelled out by this square root. It will becomes x plus b over 2a is equals to, this is as it is, b square minus 4a square root, and over this 4 has the square root that is 2, and a square has the square root that is a, so it will becomes 2a. Any problem? And it is plus minus, when we take the square root it will becomes plus minus. Any problem?
No.
So we can also write that this that uh, this b over 2a goes on the right side, and subtracted from this term it will becomes minus b over 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. After that, x is equals to, when we take the LCM, the denominators are same, so we can write it as minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, right? So
Yes.
this is the solution of the general equation, that can also be written as, this is the quadratic formula, right? And you can see that the quadratic formula, that is also same. Do you have any problem in the proof of quadratic formula?
No.
Okay, good. So this formula can be used to solve the quadratic equations. And what is a, b and c? In the general equation you can see that a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, right? So first of all, we have to compare the given quadratic equation with the general quadratic equation to find a, b and c. Secondly, after finding a, b, c, we have to put these values into the quadratic formula to find the answer, right? A quadratic equation contains three coefficients. For example, x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0 has an x square coefficient as 1, and x coefficient as 4, and constant term as 3, right? So uh, 2x square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0 has an x square coefficient of 2, and x coefficient of minus 4, and a constant term of minus 1. Do you understand? Similarly, 4x square minus 1 is equals to 0 has the x square coefficient that is 4, x coefficient of 0, and the constant term is minus 1. In this equation, you can see that we have not any term involving x. So it means that the coefficient of x is equals to 0. There is a formula that can be used to find solutions to the quadratic equations, that is called the quadratic formula. Any problem?
No.